Here's the app called Status, chat with your favs, inbox your dreams. This app actually entered quite high in the US App Store charts, and you can see it's in top 50 apps, or 32 apps in lifestyle category in US. Status is for the connections you dream about. Having status is where your favorite characters send you messages directly on your home screen at any time. Status isn't like any other chat app. Your characters can leave you on read, will message you at any time, and won't like it if you ghost them. Your character updates the status directly on the widget so you can see what they get to when they're not online. The inbox of your dreams, get real-time updates from your files, unlimited messages, and completely free. So here you can just get started, and if you wanna, you can just create an account like that with Apple, super easy. And then I just need to create username. So let's say yeah, nice. It's available. And then yeah, here you can see recommended personas. I don't know what that is. So here you just have all of these types of. Okay, like let's create Spider-Man. Then how your persona will call. So this app is kind of similar to Character AI or to like what's called Talkie app. So friends, create persona, and then your chat is being created. And then you can set up your widget. So long press on your home screen, tap the plus button in the top left corner, and then search for status. Select the size you want and click add widget. We recommend medium width, place the widget and press done. And then yeah, that's the idea. So that's the app. And then let's give it a try. Well, so I just tap and hold, tap plus, and then I can just add status. It's not showing up for some reason. It's happening sometimes to new apps. Interesting. Maybe it just waits for the app to actually load and create a persona, but it's already. And then okay, let's just try again. It's not appearing. It's not the first app which has this bug. But yeah, it's kind of weird. Maybe after you restart the phone or something like that, you will be able to set up the widget. Okay, so now I added the persona to the widget. And then if I tap and hold again, so let's see if now it appears. Come on, nope. Okay, what we're gonna do? We're just gonna swipe up and restart the app. So now open up again. Maybe it will appear again. Nope, doesn't help out. Unfortunately, probably you need to restart your phone or it will appear a bit later. We can also try to install the lock screen widget if I just tap customize and add widgets. And then here I can just search for status. It also doesn't appear here, but yeah, basically, yeah, that's what it is. You can also add lock screen widget hopefully when it appears. So yeah, that's about that. Hope that's helpful.